Welcome to the Parkway West virtual tour. Thanks for joining us. Over the next few minutes, you're going to get an inside look at this massive build, which will cost approximately $327 million. One of the largest expansion projects we've ever undertaken at Union Gas. Parkway West is a 120-acre greenfield site at Dairy Road and 8th Line in Milton. It's right across the road from our existing Parkway station in Mississauga.
The existing site, we have two compressors there right now, Parkway A and Parkway B. And last year was the first time that both those compressors were fully utilized on cold winter days. We've never seen that before. So there's a couple things that happen. So first of all, when we see a lot of volume or demand for existing compressors and we're utilizing all our equipment, and given that it's critical infrastructure for Ontario, for Toronto, for Eastern Ontario, and for Quebec, we really need a loss of critical unit compressor, which is a reserve compressor. If one of those compressors fail, then we've got another compressor here that we're building at the Parkway West site to take on that additional capacity, that load for us.
With the help of some 200 workers, we're installing two powerful jet engine compressors, Parkway C and Parkway D, along with other associated infrastructure. Let's look at the compressors first. Compressors are an important part of our Dawn Parkway system. They help inject and withdraw natural gas from the storage pools at our Dawn hub near Sarnia, and push it along transmission pipelines to various points along our system as far east as Parkway at the western edge of the Greater Toronto Area. At Parkway, our system connects with other pipelines that serve some 5 million residents in the Toronto area, Eastern Canada, and the U.S. Northeast. Our existing Parkway compressor is the only one on our entire system without a backup unit. That's where the Parkway C compressor comes in. It's being built in case there's ever an unplanned outage at the site. This guarantees the continued reliable delivery of gas to our customers. Parkway D will provide the extra compression we need to move even more gas in order to reliably serve the growth we're seeing in the GTA and points east. There are plans underway for other important interconnected projects that will also help serve this growth. Enbridge's GTA project will upgrade the backbone of its natural gas distribution system in Greater Toronto. TransCanada's proposed Kings North project will help more natural gas move from Parkway North to Maple, where it can serve markets to the east. This is what Parkway West looked like when we broke ground on October 1st, 2013. And here's what it looks like about a year later. We're expecting the entire project to be completed by late 2015. Along with installing the two compressors, we're also replacing 26-inch and 34-inch pipelines. And a valve nest. It might surprise you to know that the pipe we're using at Parkway West weighs about half as much as the iron in the Eiffel Tower. We're also building 3 measurement stations and a 14,000 square foot operations center with modern equipment and controls that will enhance our system's safety and reliability. Working with local First Nations communities, we're creating a 34-acre First Nations naturalized area that will feature trees native to Ontario, a healing garden, and teaching trails for visitors to enjoy. We're also creating about 32 acres of wildlife habitat, guided by a wildlife enhancement plan that includes protecting several existing barn swallow nests, a species protected under Ontario's Endangered Species Act. In addition, a snake hibernaculum was created in the foundation of one of the former houses on the property. The plan will also help protect a small watercourse that had been degraded by agricultural operations. As you can imagine, we're moving a lot of earth to make this project happen. So far, we've shifted more than 320,000 cubic meters. That's enough to fill 30,000 dump trucks. Materials for this project are coming from near and far. Many of the vessels are being built right here in Ontario, some as close as Britannia Road, about 15 minutes from the Parkway site, while others are coming from as far away as Italy, Germany, and Japan.
Safety is a foundation in everything that we do, particularly in new construction. It's a foundation for all of our business in general. So we need to be safe in all the work that we do and in all of our operations.
As always, safety is our top priority. We have a full-time nurse and safety specialist on site and have conducted nearly 1,000 safety orientations. We are very proud of our wellness and safety programs and the safety commitment of all employees and contractors working at Parkway. As of January 2015, more than 350,000 man-hours were invested in this project. About 800,000 man-hours will be invested by the end of the project. As we do on all our projects, we're working closely with the community to ensure we're using local resources wherever possible. We're committed to making sure our projects, including Parkway West, not only connect our customers to clean, affordable, and reliable natural gas, but also directly and indirectly contribute to the economic prosperity of the communities we serve. Thanks for joining us on the Parkway West tour.